Okurugyirira ara Abiazar Wamwiri omugambirizi wa National Drug Authority omu kikwekweto eki bakwasire abantu 250 hamwe n'emibazi erikubarwa miliyoni 7 omu sente eza Uganda.
Omu bikwekweto ebi obuduuka obukurenga 75 bushangirwe butiine bisaanyizo tubukingire twihamu ebibokisi 250 z'emibazi erikubarwamu esente zikurenga miliyoni 5 za Uganda. Wakwata n'omushaija omwe orikwetwa Atwine Ronald otushangire arikwine emibazi ya gavumenti etashemire kuba neeguzibwa.
Omuri aba bakwasirwe harimu n'obiiraine emibazi erikuhwera abo abaine akakooko ka siriimu.
Tumukwasire agira ngu egi emibazi ya ARVs egi yasibire naye omu rwire omwe omushaija otakwenda ngu omukazi wakimanya so naagimubikira aija kugimira of course abaire naabiiha ahabwokuba omu rwire omwe gavumenti neemuha akakebe kamwe akarimu akokumira emyezi 3. So noyobuuza egi yoona eherigire emwe na batches zitakushushana ekimanyisa ngu ezimwe ntaahi egi abiri yagiguruza.
Ebikwekweto ebi okurugyirira Dr. Alfred Akari arokurira ebikwekweto omu National Drug Authority bigendereire kureebeka ngu abarikuguza emibazi bakuratira engenderwaho.
Era tukubiriza abantu baffe eddagala lino bwe tuba tulireese wano omuntu bw'otuukiriza ebisaanyizo bye twagala no licensinga eddagala lino liryo tuukiriza ebisaanyizo licensinga jangu okime eddagala lino kubanga twetaaga abantu baffe eyo gye muweerereza bafune okuweereza.
People are always reluctant whenever their drugs are impounded. They think that because they move with the police, they think that these drugs are taken and it will not be returned back to them. But through you, the media people, I want to remind the people outside there that these drugs are still there. No one wants to arrest them. We just took their drugs to make sure that they comply with the
Dr. Akari najangu hariho emitendera yabo boona barikuguza emibazi bihikire kuba nibakuratirira.
If you are not qualified yourself, you should engage the services of someone who is qualified, and you have to stock the place, you have to rent suitable premises, you have to pay the salary for people whom you're going to work with. Recently we are in Northern Region, and I would say that our findings in terms of compliance is more or less the same.
Ekitongole kya National Drug Authority kenshi kizire nkirabura abanya-Uganda okufayo munonga baba nibaija kugura emibazi nka okukyebera omwanya gw'abagwine baruha erikubikiriza kuguza emibazi okwetantara okugura ebintu bitahikire omu maduuka g'emibazi agatahikire. Makuru aga gashakwa Sutherland n'omukisa.